Good morning, everyone. Today you find us on the way up to get some suspension done on our Yamaha R7 project. We're going to go see Rob at Well Sprung Motorcycle Suspension. A bit of background with our dealings with Rob. Rob used to race SV650s in a twins class, and then he moved into doing suspension in 2015. I was actually his first road race customer when we were building up our Yamaha R6 for the 2016 season. We've been using Rob ever since, purely because every time that we've done work with Rob, made changes or done anything like that, had him out in the paddock with us, we keep going faster, and we've really used his knowledge, and as he's gotten a lot better at doing it as well, we've only gotten faster. So we always use Rob. He's a very, very nice bloke. And today actually is our first time going to his new premises. He's now got a nice, lovely, massive workshop, which hopefully we'll show you a little bit of soon. We're going to be some of the first customers to visit his new workshop, so it should be good. We have our Ohlins cartridge kit to go in the forks, and then we have the Ohlins complete replacement rear shock. So that'll be cool. Hopefully we get some good little bits of video out of it, and hopefully you enjoy.